Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Sunday, budget friends. We're going to stuff our weekly expenses and a couple savings challenges. We do need to do kind of a little bit of a layout of what our plan is. Oh, you know what? I forgot to grab my K-Bucks and I need those because I've been hanging on to them. So I got a few more K-Bucks. I just stack them as long as I can, a few days, or so once I get them the following week, when I do a cash stuffing, I do like to put those into my K-Buck savings challenge. What is today's date? Is today the 22nd? I think it is. Oh, this. Let's see. My markers are all, I don't know, they're old now. Not holding on to much ink. Let's move this to the side and count up what we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $106. So it sounds like my kitty just brought a snake in. Be right back. Okay, sorry about that. My kitty did bring in a snake. He, especially when the weather's decent, I guess he knows where the snake's home is because he brings his snakes every time he comes back inside. And a couple times he's brought in just one snake, and then one time he brought in 2 at once. So that was exciting. Anyway, I don't even remember how much cash I said. I just counted again. I counted 107. I really hope that's correct because I don't want to keep redoing it. I'm going to write out my categories really quickly. I'm going to skip mommy and see if I can come back to that. Groceries. We're not adding anything today. My kiddos' dad did buy groceries. My kiddos are out of school all week for spring break, and so he went to the grocery store and got them what they needed. We're going to put $20 to gas, $5 to household because we still have plenty. Pets, we're going to go ahead and add 10. And my kiddos, because they are out of school, I think we'll just put 0 for now, and then I know that when I'm paid, we're gonna possibly maybe go on a family date, and then the video you'll see coming Friday, that all of those savings challenges are going to us going out to eat, so we have that as an option as well. We're gonna add $10 to laundry. All right, so that leaves us $62, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put 10 to mommy. And then we'll put $52 to savings, which is crazy money going into my long-term savings. I'm not certain how I'm going to break that up, but we can go ahead and dive in. All right, so first up, mommy's getting $10. Gas getting $20. And gas prices have gone up this month here, and I don't know if it's something we should keep anticipating happening or what, but I don't like it. Groceries not getting anything. Household getting $5. Pets, Mr. Fluffles is getting $10. And I already have my list ready to go of the things that I need, so I could kind of gauge what I was actually needing in each envelope. Kiddos is not getting anything today. And laundry is getting $10. And my wallet's in the dining room, so I'm not going to worry about that. But what I will do is fold this in half, and I'll put it in my mommy envelope so I know exactly where it is. And the rest of this is going into savings, so let's work on that. We want to start with our K-Bucks, which are in this binder. And I think I'm $1 off. I want to say I'm $1 off, I'm not certain, but we're adding $3 today. Should I do a count? Yeah, let's just make sure it's accurate since I'm in it. Like, I don't go into it very often, but I did mess with it in order to get my savings challenges completed. The cash stuffing portion. I just swapped out the big bill and then I put the money back. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, 5, 10, 15, 20. Yep, I was right. When I was pulling the money back, I said, man, that doesn't look right. But now we've got it squared away. And we also have our sweets and treats savings money here. So let's pull out our sweets and treats and see what we can do. What are we going to do today? So my sweets and treats savings challenge is actually for my 45th birthday. So whatever I save for that is what will be going towards my 45th birthday. And should we do $7 today? Or should we do one that's a little bit more because we have a little bit of cash to work with today? What I will do is my uni savings, which is all unicorns. I made each one of my unicorns 25 cents. All right, uni savings. I will need to color those in. And today is 3/22. And last week we didn't work on this one, so that's why I was like trying to make an effort to do a cash stuffing for it. And that savings challenge is saving me $16. So let's go ahead and put that $16 here. 5, 10, 15, 16, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71. I have $71. I don't know how much I'm going to actually save before my birthday. It is not something that I do every single week for sure, but I do want to try to do these savings challenges as much as I possibly can. But I do have another savings challenge that I am committed to working on. I will show you that one next. That is my Save 226 in 2026. It is a monthly setup and you save throughout the year. However, I need mine completed by May so that way I can have this $226 for my kiddo's birthday plus whatever else I can save or come up with by their birthday. I am very committed to trying to complete this if possible. It's been one of those things that I'm really, really interested in trying to complete. But this one needs $7 to complete March. One, two, three, 4, 5. Maybe I should pull $5 for, okay, no, I'll do that off camera because 5, 6, 7. I don't want to make a big fuss about this, but I kind of wanted to have a smaller bills in here. So I'll just use the smaller bills now, and then I will work on, yay, swapping out the bills later. March completed. Should I put anything to, let's see here. March is completed. We're just going to mark off the tracker here. Okay. So should we start October is the $1 million question. I do want to work on my 100 envelope savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think. Let me see what if I can get a couple numbers completed in my 100, and then we'll come back to this one. Like I said, this one is urgent. The other one is not, but I do like to keep some consistency going in Big Mama. This one is the 100 envelope savings challenge, which can save $6K plus, and you can find it in our Etsy shop. And what are we going to do? I'm working on the sum method. I've decided to take the total amount instead of individual numbers, the total amount, and add them together using the sum method. So this one would be $9. And I thought I had one, I saw one that was 11. This one's 11. I think I'm going to do the $11 one. 5, 10, 11. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Just because I do have a little bit of cash to work with this week in terms of saving, and then I can come back to 11. All right, so number 8 got $11. And this is the tracker. Look how much progress I'm making. Every single week I try to at least take a peek, see what I've got going on. This is one of those savings challenges as well where I'm not making a big fuss if I can't do it every single week. It is supposed to be for Christmas, so I have plenty of time. I'm going to say until like November time frame because I want to unstuff it, count it, and then be able to do my Christmas shopping. I like to be a little bit ahead of whatever I've got going on, and if I'm taking time off, I need to make sure I have that money to pay myself. There's $2 here, and I think I'll go ahead and leave the rest for the save $226. We're adding $2. So if you were working on this savings challenge the way that it's set up, this card would save you $110. I don't have that kind of cash, so I did the low income sum method. 1 plus 1 plus 0, 2. And some people say add 11 plus 0, which is 11, or 1 plus 10, which is 11. But I decided 1 plus 1 plus 0, $2. So some of these are going to be very small, $2, $3, $4, whatever, and some of them will be a little bit higher, like this one is 13. All right, so number 91 saved me $2. 91. Yay! That was so awesome. This has been a fantastic savings challenge. It's coming along very well. I really am enjoying working on it. Long-term savings challenges are not my jam, but I figured now is the time. Like, if not now, when? And I figured this will work for me. And let's go ahead and put some cash here. Should I switch out? I think I want to switch out the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I want to switch out the bills. Let me just grab the bills from Mommy. You know what, as a matter of fact, from laundry, because I need smaller bills for laundry anyway. Not that there. And that ought to do the trick for moving forward with saving. Okay, so we have $12 left. Oh, I wish I had a few more dollars. But we'll work on it next week because I think it's important to at least try to save something. All right, so in the savings challenge, each month saves you $19 except for December, which is $17. So let's go ahead and mark this off. Let's go ahead and mark this off for $12. All right, so we have 4, 5, 7, 10, 12. Yay! October is almost completed. Hopefully next week we can work on a little bit of April and then maybe finish October. I don't know. It would be nice. We're going to chill out. We have a little bit of time left, 2 months, in fact, to work on this savings challenge. And we can do it. We can do it. We just got to stay focused. Okay. Oh, the best part about budgeting is that you get to put your money where you want it to go. And sometimes I want to spend it and sometimes I want to save it. But I find myself wanting to save it more than anything. And that's a little bit weird to me because I haven't always been that way. But we've got our 100 envelope savings challenge, our Save 226 in 2026, as well as our sweets and treats, our weekly expenses, and our K-Bucks. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.